In today's video, I'll show you how to lower your blood pressure naturally and quickly in just 10 minutes. There are 3 ways to do so, and if you suffer from hypertension or kidney disease, you'll probably want to know more about these methods. My name is Catherine and I've been working with kidney disease patients for 7 years now. Many of them have to deal with hypertension, the second leading cause of chronic kidney disease. We are talking about a serious health condition here. More than 1 billion people worldwide have high blood pressure. What many of them don't know is that it can lead to kidney damage, but also vision loss, heart disease, stroke, and even death. The result is that more than 4 out of 5 people with hypertension don't take action to improve their condition. The good news is that if you follow my advice, you will be able to lower your blood pressure quickly, and you will even lower your need for medications. So, if you know anyone who may be suffering from high blood pressure or kidney disease, share this video with them. This could really help them. Just a quick heads up before I start. Never let high blood pressure go untreated. Get checked and always talk to your doctor before starting any new treatment, including those of my videos. Let's start now. The very first thing you want to do to beat hypertension is to outsmart it. There is a breathing technique that's actually proven to work, and you can try it even now. It's easy to do and it works. I'll show you how to do it. Are you ready? First of all, sit in a relaxed position that's comfortable to you. I want you to focus on your breath now. We are going to try something called deep breathing. It's easy as inhaling for 4 seconds and then exhaling for 4 seconds. Follow the rhythm of the circle you see behind me. Inhale and exhale. When you take in deep, slow breaths, this causes the heart rate to slow down. Breathe through your nose. Inhale and exhale. As your breath rises and falls, your blood vessels will dilate, and this will make your blood pressure decrease. Now, pay attention to your breathing. As you focus your attention on your breathing, now my voice will go with you as you relax. Remember that you don't have to make any effort at all. Simply let go. You can notice your pulse and the beating of your own heart as you allow yourself to become more and more absorbed in the life and the energy of your own body. Keep breathing now. And you can add some visualization to it. Don't worry, I'm not going to hypnotize you to make you eat healthier. That's not how it works. But as you may already know, I'm a firm believer in the power of meditation. And there's a reason why I believe in meditation. No, it's not because I'm Asian. It's because countless studies made by prominent scientists and published on respectable journals are proving that it works. It can lower your blood pressure, but it can also fight stress, insomnia, anxiety, and other problems. And it's as easy to do as inhaling for 4 seconds very slowly, and then exhaling for 4 seconds for 10 minutes a day. It's about the duration of this video. So if you want, you can just keep following the circle behind me. Inhale and exhale for the whole video and see if it works for you. Now, if you have troubles believing me when I say this breathing technique helps, well, you can actually verify it by yourself. If you take your blood pressure regularly, next time just take it right after doing the technique I've shown you. Then let me know in comment section how much lower your blood pressure is compared to your usual readings. Yes, the results will be immediately noticeable. Now, the best part is that if you get used to this breathing technique or if you start doing meditation regularly, the results will even improve over time. It's like physical exercise, but for your brain. It takes time, but even a few minutes consistently over a period of time yields noticeable results. It's better if incorporated as a routine, like brushing your teeth. Some do it first thing in the morning, some right before bed. Those that seem to use it effectively have made it a part of their own lifestyle. So this breathing technique was our first way to fend off hypertension. The second way to lower your blood pressure naturally is to use certain home remedies and supplements. As usual, I will only show you remedies that are 100% safe for people with kidney disease and hypertension and that are proven to be effective. And I'll show you the science behind. All the sources of the studies I'm citing are in the description if you want to check them. My advice here is to never trust people telling you that this or that herbal remedy works without showing you any respectable source to prove what they're saying. So, let's see what home remedies are actually proven to work. First of all, there's garlic. Garlic is something I recommend to everyone suffering from high blood pressure. The effects of garlic are comparable to those of some of the most commonly used antihypertension drugs. Garlic contains the powerful plant compound called allicin, which is incredibly useful against high blood pressure. In double-blind studies with garlic, the participants had reductions of 11 over 5 millimeters of mercury in no more than a month. For comparison, the average antihypertension drug will lower your blood pressure by 9 over 5 millimeters of mercury. The studies shown that at least 10 milligrams of allicin a day are required to get these outstanding results. That's the allicin you will get from about half fresh clove of garlic. Garlic also has other incredible benefits. Recently, researchers from the Isfahan University of Medical Sciences found out that eating 20 grams of garlic per day with a tablespoon of lemon juice can also lower cholesterol levels. And if you don't like the other garlic causes, you can also consider the possibility of getting the allicin you need from garlic supplements. Now, talking about supplements, another thing that can help you is magnesium. And lack of magnesium is strongly linked with high blood pressure and many other health problems. Now, this is interesting. About 68% of US adults are below the recommended daily dose of magnesium, and there are several studies showing that correcting magnesium deficiency can significantly lower blood pressure. Again, this is proven by respectable studies. Also, consider taking CoQ10, coenzyme Q10, also known as ubiquinone, is an antioxidant that can do miracles. In a meta-analysis of clinical trials published on the Journal of Hypertension, CoQ10 brought down blood pressure of the participants by up to 17 over 10 millimeters of mercury. Yes, an incredible result! Better than the most common prescription drugs. And if you want to take a better look at this study, there is a link in the description. Now, CoQ10 is considered generally safe for kidney disease patients. No serious side effects here. But if you want to lower your blood pressure with these supplements and home remedies, don't take them all at once. First, consult your doctor and then closely monitor your blood pressure to see how much it improves. Also consider starting an exercising program. Regular physical activity such as 150 minutes a week or about 30 minutes most days of the week is proven to lower the blood pressure even of patients that don't respond to blood pressure medications. Just like reducing sodium intake. Even a small reduction in the sodium in your diet can improve your heart health and reduce blood pressure. Also consider that you can eat certain foods to help to promote low blood pressure. Actually, I made a full video about the foods that can help you the most and that are suitable for a renal diet. You can watch it now if you want. The link is up here. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.